नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 12th August 2024. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? In today's video, we are going to uncover the secret to building a successful trade plan and analyze the critical level for Nifty 50 that you should know for 13th August 2024. Welcome back to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your trade strategy, having a solid trade plan is the first step to becoming a successful trader. We'll start this video by looking into global trend, have a deep dive into some local key indicators, review the critical levels for Nifty 50 for tomorrow, identify the key support and resistance level, and use this information to build a trade plan for tomorrow, which is 13 August 2024. I use a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then I request you to look into my educational playlist and look for a video called Trade Setup. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. I will also give an update on this idea tomorrow morning just before the market opens by means of a reel or a small video which you see on the YouTube. So don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's kickstart. So let's review first what happened to market today. So if you've seen my weekly wrap video, we discuss that bulls are trying to come back and 24,220 will act as a very strong support for the market. When market open in the reel, I mentioned that it could be a trend day or a double distribution trend day, and that's exactly what happened. Market opened just below the previous day low, just above the previous day low, and outside the value area, and it took a support on 24,220 and went ahead and hit the target of 24,466. Then there was certain degree of consolidation, and at last 1 hour when the Reliance became weak, market fall and just closed below the pivot. So with that in background, let's have a quick look into Nifty 50, into global indicators. So when we look into S&P, we see that S&P is continuing its uptrend or continuing its recovery, but still below 20 and 50 bar moving average. So still looking negative, but showing a recovery sign. The dollar index is little bit moving up, but still below 8 bar and all the critical moving average. So this is a good sign for Bank Nifty. And dollar index is also going down, which is kind of okay sign for India market. So basically, outcome is that we can clearly see that global market are looking forward for certain degree of recovery. When we look into Bank Nifty, we see that Bank Nifty has closed below above 5451, which is a critical level, but still below 20 and 50. So it is a negative, but showing certain degree of reversal, but kind of a doji which is formed here. HDFC Bank is looking in positive, but still in the range of 1662 and 1650. 1662 needs to broken for an upward, and Reliance is looking weak, which is below 20, 50 and 8 bar moving average, and today has closed below critical level of 2925. So with that in a background, let's have a look at Nifty 50. So when we look into Nifty 50, we see that Nifty 50 is still on daily chart below all the critical levels or all below moving average 20 and 8 bar and has formed a doji today. So it's still in a negative trend, but taking a good support at 24 to 27. On 15-minute chart, we see that it is closed below all the critical moving average, so still looking negative. And when we look into tomorrow's pivot or CPR, we see that tomorrow's CPR is below today's CPR. So this is also a sign of a bear in control of the market. Now open plays a very critical role in the market, and if we see tomorrow's nifty gift, which is at 24,392, which is above tomorrow's pivot, which is at 24,344. So assuming that this scenario will continue, that market will open above pivot, then the trade plan for tomorrow is buy on dip. Tomorrow L3 is at 24,275, which is somewhere here, and good support will be at 24,222. So any dip towards L3 or pivot or at 24,227 in this particular range should be bought for a target of 24,512 or previous day high, which is at 24,475, and a weekly target of 24,650. So trade plan for tomorrow is buy on dip either at pivot or at L3, which is at 24,275, and further another lot if you want. If the market drops well, then close to 24,227 for a target of 24,475 and weekly target of 24,648. I will give another update reel just before the market will open, so hit the bell icon. Do let me know what you think about this trade plan. Give me your comments. Stay healthy, trade well. Jai Hind.